Hello, so we are doing lesson 31 today. Make sure you watch the lesson video right above this one. We are starting on this page. It says lesson 31 right up here at the top. We'll start with number 1. So it wants us to make a math drawing and circle the part that we know and cross out the unknown part, and then complete the number sentence and number bond. So, number 1 says, Kate made 7 cookies. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? Now listen as I read it again. Kate made 7 cookies. Bill ate some. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? So, we need to make a math drawing, which they already did for us on number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this represents the 7 cookies. Okay, so Kate made 7 cookies. Now they want us to circle the part we know. Bill ate some. We don't know how many. It doesn't tell us that. So that's our unknown. We know that Kate has 5 cookies left. Kate has 5 cookies. So I got to circle the part that I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to count out 5 and circle those 5. That's the part that I know. Okay? So she had 7. Now she only has 5. So how many did Bill eat? 2. Right. So we're supposed to cross out the unknown part. So using our math drawing, we're going to complete our number bond and our number sentence, and then answer. So, what's our total? 7. Right, that's how many cookies Kate made originally. So that's going to go in my top. 7. Okay, what is my known part? The part that I circled. 5. Good job. So Kate had 5 cookies left. My unknown part is the part that I crossed out. How many did I cross out? 2. 5 and 2. Now do the math. 5, 6, 7. Do my numbers make sense? Yeah, 5 plus 2 would be 7. So my numbers make sense. 5 and 2 make 7. Now I need to turn it into a subtraction problem. So, Kate, sorry, I forgot her name for a second. Kate made 7 cookies. How many did she have left? The other part that we know. 5. Right, so after Bill ate some, she had 5 left. So if we start with the 7 and take away the 5, that leaves us with 2. Great job. So Bill ate 2 of the cookies. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing down here. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. On Tuesday, he lost some pencils. Okay? So came in Monday morning, he had 8 pencils. Tuesday, he lost some. We don't know how many. But on Wednesday, he only had 4. So how many pencils did Tim lose? So we need to draw our pencils. Remember, we use simple math drawings. Just circles. They're easy. You don't have to draw out all the pencils. It takes a long time. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double count and make sure you got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 pencils. On Tuesday, he lost some. That's our unknown. We're going to cross that out when we get there, but we don't know how many until we figure out how many he had on Wednesday. On Wednesday, he had 4. So I need to circle the amount that I know and then cross out how many he lost, my unknown amount. Complete the number bond, the subtraction problem, and go ahead and write my answer down there. Okay? And then we're going to turn to the next page and do the same things for 3 and 4. Okay? A store had 6 shirts on the rack. Now there are 2 shirts on the rack. How many shirts were sold? There were 6. Now there's only 2. how many shirts got sold? Okay? Picture, number bond, number sentence. Write the unknown right there. How many shirts were sold? There were 9 children at the park. Some children decided to go inside. 5 children stayed. How many children went inside? So there were 9 children at the park. Some went inside. We don't know how many yet. 5 children stayed outside. How many children went inside? Draw your picture. Circle your known part. Cross out your unknown part. Number bond, number sentence, and write how many children went inside right down there. Okay? Your optional job for today is to play slides and ladders. It's kind of like chutes and ladders if you've ever played that. So you're going to roll a die, move forward that many spaces, then you need to solve the problem. If your answer is correct, you can remain on that space. If it's incorrect, you have to return to the original space, so your last place. If you land on a ladder, climb up. If you land on a slide, slide down. The first player to reach the finish is the winner. Okay, so we start here. Arrows tell you which way to go. First person to the finish line, or the finish square, wins. All right, so you can go ahead and play that with your families if you would like. And that is it for math for today.